Simplex 49039219 unboxing, let's go.
Guys, New Jersey Sirens and Trains here. Today we're going to be unboxing another fire alarm. So here we go. I kind of actually already sort of unboxed it before I realized I need to make a video. Yeah, alright, here we go. Oh yeah, guys. Nice. 49039219. Look at that. Nice. It's got the mechanical horn. So now we know it's actually good. So I accidentally got a smart sync. Look at that. 49039219. Very nice. Okay. Let's go ahead and test it. Alright, guys. Here we go. Oh, hold on. Alright, for real, here we go. Not too bad. I still like it. Works pretty nice. Maybe it just needs to, get into the swing of things. But, yeah. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later.
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one.